Assalamualaikum student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Student, today we will continue our chapter Let's Handle Geometrical Shape. Student, we read so far. When we started this chapter, there was an activity and we completed. Okay. Then we learned that a cuboid has 12 edges, 8 corners and 6 surfaces. A cylinder has 2 edges, 0 corner, and a cone has 1 edge and 1 corner. In this lecture, we read another shape which is a sphere. See here, sphere. A ball is said to be a spherical. A shape like a ball is called a sphere. जैसे बॉल का शेप होता है, यू ऑल सी बॉल ना, बॉल का शेप कैसा होता है, राउंड. जैसे बॉल का शेप होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं, स्फीयर. A shape like a ball is called a sphere. Students, write down definition of sphere, cuboid, cone and cylinder shape 4 to 5 times and memorize it. Okay, so come to the point. A sphere has no edge and no corner. जैसे बॉल का शेप होता है हम उसे क्या कहते हैं, स्फीयर. स्फीयर हैज नो edges. Why? Because the definition of edge is wherever the surface is, it has an edge and it is called a edge. But जो ये स्फीयर शेप है, हमें इसमें पता चला कि इसकी सरफेस का एंड क्या है, नो. That's why sphere has no edge and no corner. Corner की definition क्या है, where two line meet at same point. But इसमें तो लाइन नहीं है, तो फिर corner form होगा क्या, no. That's why a sphere has no edges and no corner. Next is, no part of a sphere is flat. स्फीयर का कोई भी पार्ट फ्लैट नहीं है. यू ऑल सी बॉल. बॉल कैसे होती है, राउंड होती है, कर्व. राउंड, अनदर नेम ऑफ राउंड इज कर्व्ड. कैसी होती है, कर्व्ड, गोल होती है, घूमी हुई होती है. फ्लैट होती है कि नो, आप बॉल को एक जगह अच्छे से प्लेस कर सकते हैं कि नो, वो कैसी होती है, कर्व. दैट्स व्हाई वो राउंड राउंड होके जाती है. ओके. इट टर्न्स कंटिन्यूसली, thus a sphere has only a curved surface. See, sphere has no flat surface but a curved surface. sphere की कोई भी फ्लैट सरफेस नहीं, बट सरफेस कैसी है उसकी, कर्व्ड, घूमी हुई है. बॉल की शेप की, सी बॉल की सरफेस कैसी होती है, राउंड, कर्व. सो sphere has only curved surface. Understand this? A shape like a ball is called a sphere. A sphere no edge and no corners. जैसे बॉल का शेप होता है उसे स्फीयर कहते हैं. एंड स्फीयर हैज नो एज एंड नो कॉर्नर. नो पार्ट ऑफ स्फीयर इज फ्लैट. स्फीयर का कोई भी पार्ट फ्लैट नहीं होता है. ओनली अ कर्व सरफेस. उसकी सरफेस कैसी होती है, कर्व्ड. ओके, नाउ कंप्लीट दिस, ट्राई दिस. डज अ स्फीयर स्लिप और रोल डाउन व्हेन इट इज प्लेस्ड ऑन अ स्लाइड. हमें क्या करना है, स्लाइड दिस, वी प्लेस sphere on a slide like this. Sphere means like ball like shape. When we placed sphere on a slide, it's roll down. Why it's roll down? जब हम sphere को, बॉल को किसी भी स्लाइड पे रखें तो वो क्या होगा, रोल डाउन होगा. Why? Because it has curved surface. क्योंकि उसकी सरफेस कैसी है, कर्व्ड है, घूमी हुई है, राउंड है. तो जब भी हम उसे स्लाइड पे रखेंगे तो वो रोल डाउन, नीचे घूमते हुए आएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड दिस. नाउ सेकेंड है, मैच द पेयर्स. मैच द पेयर्स. सो students, here on one side is the shape and on the other side is their name. एक साइड शेप से हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है एंड नेक्स्ट अनदर साइड इज their name. उनके नाम है another side में. Okay, and we have to pair it. So first shape, this shape. Tell me student, what shape do you see? Yes, yes, you all are right. This is cuboid. Which shape? Cuboid shape. Now this one is cuboid shape. Now tell me, here where the cuboid is written. यहाँ cuboid कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? C सेकेंड नंबर पे cuboid cuboid. So we pair it this one to this one. Now the second. What shape do you see? We have just read it. इसे हमने अभी पढ़ा. What shape? Sphere shape. Yes. Now here where the sphere is written on the last sphere, sphere is sphere. So we pair this one to this one. Okay. Now this shape. What shape do you see? Yes, this is a cylinder shape. And now here where the cylinder is written on the first. cylinder. Cylinder. So we pair it. And which one is left? This one. And this shape is cone shape. And here which one is left? This one. cone. Cone. So we pair this one also. So we complete this. Okay. Now the next is there is another activity is given. So we try to complete it. Which of the following objects will slide? Which one will roll? Okay. So this is slide. So what we have to do? We have to find out when we place these objects on a slide, which one is roll and which one is slip. So first of all, which one is roll? Those objects which has curved surface, it's rolled, and those objects which has फ्लैट सरफेस इट स्लिप. जब भी हम स्लाइड पे किसी भी कर्व्ड सरफेस के ऑब्जेक्ट को रखेंगे तो वो क्या होगा? राउंड होगा. जब भी हम किसी भी गोल राउंड शेप को रखेंगे स्लाइड पे तो वो कैसे नीचे आएगा? रोल डाउन होते हुए. और जब कभी भी हम फ्लैट सरफेस को स्लाइड पे रखेंगे तो वो कैसे होगा? स्लिप. ओके. सो दिस वन and this one, when we place all these three on a slide, it's roll down. What? It's roll down. जब भी हम इन तीनों को स्लाइड पे रखेंगे तो वो क्या होगा? रोल. एंड what? Which one is left? This sweet box is left. So when we place this sweet box on a slide, it slips. Why? Because its surface a flat surface. इसे हम जब स्लाइड पे रखेंगे तो ये क्या होगा? स्लिप होगा. Why? Because इसकी सरफेस कैसी है? फ्लैट है. Here when we place this one and this one on a slide, it's rolled down. Why? Because these three has curved surface, and we place this one on a slide, it slips. Why? Because it has flat surface. Simply. Okay, you understand this now? जो भी सरफेस पे हम किसी भी कर्व सरफेस को हम स्लाइड पे रखेंगे तो वो रोल होगा, और अगर फ्लैट सरफेस को रखेंगे तो वो स्लिप होगा. Got it? Now another activity is given. We have to try to complete it. Handle the object shown below. Observe and write how many edges and corners each object has. So students, what is an edge and what is a corner? How many edges and corners does this all shape have? We understand this in detail in the previous lecture now. किसके कितने edges है? How many edges? How many corners? What is an edge and what is a corner? We will understand this in previous lecture. So we have to just recall it and write it here. Okay. Before starting, students, whenever you listen to a lecture, first listen it and understand it. Don't use pencil during lecture. Whatever you want to write in the textbook, write it after the lecture. Okay. During lecture, you just listen it and try to understand it. So comes to the point, we have to complete this activity. Okay, got it. So here, this is a toothpaste, and the shape of toothpaste is cuboid. What shape? cuboid, and we learned in previous lecture that cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners. How many edges and how many corners? 12 edges and 8 corners. Now come to the next. This is a ice cream cone, and shape of ice cream cone is cone shape. We learned that in previous lecture that a cone has how many edges and how many corners? Yes, tell me. Yes, you are right. Only one edge and only one corner. Now next, what is it? It's a slender shape. See, this is a slender shape, but in this इसे ऐसे प्लेस किया गया है यहाँ ऐसे. Okay, so we learned in previous lecture that a cylinder has how many edges, how many corners? 2 edges and 0 corner. Okay, why 0 corner? Because lines of cylinder never meet at same point. That's why we don't found any corner. Now the next and the last is sphere, and we just read it. How many edges and how many corners? 0 edges and 0 corner. Got it? Now the next is, say which of these objects in the picture will slide, which one roll. When we place these objects on a slide, which one is roll and which one is slip. So see first this one. What is it? This is a dice. इसका शेप ऐसे है ना, क्यूबॉइड शेप है ना इसका. क्यूबॉइड शेप की सब सरफेसेस कैसी होती है? फ्लैट. कैसी होती है? फ्लैट. Cuboid, and when we place a flat surface on a slide, it slips. So this one is slip, and this, what is it? It is a sphere, ball. So when we place a sphere on a slide, it's roll. Okay, understand this now. This one, this is a circle shape, not a sphere shape. This is a plate. So in this picture, plate placed on its curved surface. इसे प्लेट कैसे रखी है? उसकी कर्व सरफेस से. और जब भी कर्व्ड सरफेस स्लाइड पे हो तो वो कैसे होती है? रोल. सो दिस वन इज रोल डाउन. एंड व्हेन वी प्लेस फ्लैट सरफेस, ये प्लेट कैसे रखी है? उसकी फ्लैट सरफेस है स्लाइड पे. व्हेन वी प्लेस फ्लैट सरफेस ऑन अ स्लाइड, इट्स स्लिप. सो इट स्लिप. Now understand this. Now this one is homework for you. You have to find out, when we place this object on a slide, it's roll down or slip. So you have to find out this. Okay, if you listen lecture carefully, then you give answer very easily. Okay, so this is all about the geometric shape. I hope you all understand this. In next lecture we will start new chapter, which is fun with line. Okay, so we will see you in next lecture. Thank you.